Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome back to the channel and today we are doing a drag race between the Hyundai Alcazar and the Tata Safari 2021. Another very exciting video. बहुत मुश्किल से शूट हुई है, rainfall था, we have never experienced something like that before, but anything for you guys. Before we start the video, let me tell you something. We are here to redefine the drag race culture of India. We try to give you an experience that you have never felt before. So we can't do this alone. Subscribe to our channel, like and share, and that's how we build a community, and that's how we get you more and more exciting videos like this. So grab your headphones, turn the volume to the roof, sit in front of the biggest screen that you have. My name is Yashwati, you're watching Heat 70 and let's get started. Another exciting drag race, absolutely phenomenal. Hyundai Alcazar, Tata Safari. How did this happen? Let's get into the heat analysis and find out. Well, it's no rocket science why Tata Safari won today's drag race. It was quite a one-sided drag race. बहुत easily Tata Safari जीत गई और बीच में कम से कम 2-3 गाड़ियों का डिफरेंस था और काफ़ी सारी रीजंस हैं. फटाफट से डिस्कस करेंगे इन सब चीज़ों को. लेकिन हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि टाटा सफारी का वेट ज़्यादा है, इट्स अ बिगर कार, बिगर इंजन और आउटपुट वाइज भी हर चीज़ उसकी बेटर है. बट मुझे लगा कहीं ना कहीं वेट ज़्यादा है तो वो इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएगी और एल्काजार उसको समवॉट एक अच्छा कंपटीशन दे पाएगी. वेयर एज दिस डिडंट हैपन एट ऑल. Though the Alcazar is a very light vehicle, we were expecting its power to be delivered in a much more mature manner, but this didn't happen and it felt very short of power. My favorite part of the race was when Alcazar did its initial first gear and जब हम लोग उसको second gear में slot कर रहे थे तभी Tata Safari it just fly off. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कोई nitrous हो गए हो. But again, it is not very difficult to crack this. Actually, the main reason was automatic थी, the gear shifts were very quick and also it was continuously in its rev range. So that became very easier for Tata Safari to get the shot and get flowing fast and quick right next to the Alcazar. Another reason that I felt that was against the Alcazar were its small tires, and during the launch over wet surface they lost its grips. and till then Safari has done its job. And also these engines are not very rev happy. Hyundai के engines थोड़े से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो restricted हैं, they are not very rev friendly. In spite of having lesser power, Hyundai Alcazar अपने कुछ amazing set of features के साथ आती है. मेरा favorite वाला feature वो है जिसमें आप turn indicator use करते हो left right जाने के लिए, और instrument cluster में आपको वो right side के mirror के नीचे जो कैमरा है उसका व्यू आपको इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर पे दिखाई देता है. एंड इट इज़ वेरी गुड. आई मीन कितना सेफ है. कभी कभी हमारे जैसे बारिश है तो आपको रेयर व्यू मिरर क्लियरली नहीं दिखता, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज क्लीन दैट स्मॉल कैमरा एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट यूजिंग दैट व्यू राइट फ्रॉम द इनसाइड ऑफ द कैबिन. वेल, टाटा सफारी भी कोई बहुत पीछे नहीं है. इवन इट इज पैक्ड एंड स्टैक्ड टू द टॉप विद द loads and loads of features. Well, we'll have a separate video discussing about what all features more Alcazar has to offer. To get all that notification, press the notification bell and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Okay, so coming back to the main topic. So Safari is the winner of today's drag race, but both of these cars are phenomenal in their own set of areas. But if you're looking for Alcazar, I think you should opt for the petrol one. It should be much more powerful than the diesel one, and Safari is a great all-rounder. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Yash Chaudhary. You were watching Heat 17. अच्छा लगा हो तो please like, share and subscribe करना, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.